Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing a fuel filter FF686DL on a 2003 Ford F-150. There are several models that use this version of Ford fuel filter. We're going to go ahead and replace that today. Stay tuned. Some of the tools you're going to need is a couple screwdrivers, a fuel line removal tool. I've had this one for some time, but we're going to use the 3/8 end. They do sell other models that are different colors and versions that are in plastic and other steel styled ones. But basically you want it to be able to open up and close over the clamp, and then you're going to push forward and then it releases the fitting off of the end. First thing you want to do is open the hood, get in the vehicle, open the hood. So you want to locate the fuel rail, this chrome rail right here, and you want to remove the cap on the schrader valve. This guy right here. You want to push down and remove any pressure end lines with a small screwdriver. And we should be good. Next, you want to get under the vehicle on the driver's side and locate the fuel filter. Here's the fuel filter. It's just below the driver's side door underneath the vehicle. First thing you want to do is remove this retainer clip. Stick a screwdriver underneath like this and pop it loose. Move that to the side. You're going to take your tool and set it over a piece of pipe on the exit of the filter and push forward. And while pushing forward, grab this end and slip it all off at once. Okay, once you have forced that forward, you should be able to wiggle loose with the tool all at once and it slides right off. Be careful, some fuel may come out. And next, on the inlet side, you'll see two tabs like this and a plastic retainer on the front. You're going to come from the bottom and you're going to push this tab up off so you can slip the hose back. Okay, you're going to get your fuel filter and make sure the arrow is pointing towards the engine. You're going to remove these two plastic clips and also the dust caps on the ends. Okay, and then once you have this removed, this plastic piece is loose. After pushing it up, you're going to slip the pipe back. Be careful because you might drain some fluid. Leave off that to the side and then lift your fuel filter out of the retainer clip, like so. Set that aside. Grab your new filter, snap it in the retainer clip. And then hook up your fuel line from the front. Hear that snap? The rear one. Push down, make sure that's tight. Make sure that's tight. Then you're gonna snap on your retainer clip like that. And arrows pointing towards the engine. And this concludes the replacement of the fuel filter. So next we're going to go ahead and get back in the cab, roll the key, pressurize the fuel system, start the vehicle, and check for leaks. Okay, so once the fuel filter has been drained, go ahead and add your caps to the fuel filter. We're not using these plastic pieces. And go ahead and discard the fuel filter. Okay, next you want to insert the key and roll. Let the fuel pump prime. And go ahead and start the engine. Okay, we're going to let the engine run for a minute and check for fuel leaks. Alright, now we're just checking for fuel leaks. There's none on the ground, so we're good here. Hey, if you like this video and it helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out some of my other useful videos that may be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.